Welcome back to my channel Luxury Drive Car. Today, we're embarking on an in-depth exploration of the 2025 Triumph Spitfire, a legendary Roadster Reborn for the modern era. This comprehensive review will cover every facet of the vehicle, from its rich history to its contemporary design, performance, and technological advancements. Let's dive into the journey of this iconic automobile. Historical context: the Triumph Spitfire made its debut in 1962, capturing the essence of British motoring with its lightweight design and spirited performance. Over the years, it evolved through various iterations, each enhancing its appeal and performance. The original Spitfire was renowned for its agility and affordability, making it a favorite among driving enthusiasts. Its legacy is marked by a commitment to delivering pure driving pleasure, a tradition that the 2025 model aims to uphold. Design philosophy: the 2025 Triumph Spitfire masterfully blends classic aesthetics with modern design elements. The exterior pays homage to its predecessors with sleek lines and a low-slung profile, while incorporating contemporary touches such as LED lighting and aerodynamic enhancements. The front fascia features a bold grille flanked by sharp headlights, creating an assertive presence on the road. The rear end is elegantly sculpted, with taillights that echo the car's heritage while embracing modern LED technology. Performance and powertrain: under the hood, the new Spitfire is equipped with a turbocharged engine that delivers impressive power and efficiency. The engineering team has focused on creating a powertrain that offers both exhilarating acceleration and responsible fuel consumption. The suspension system has been finely tuned to provide a balance between comfort and sporty handling, ensuring that drivers can enjoy both spirited drives and relaxed cruising. The transmission options include a precise manual gearbox for purists and an advanced automatic for those seeking convenience. Interior craftsmanship: stepping inside the 2025 Spitfire reveals a cabin that harmoniously blends luxury and functionality. High-quality materials adorn the interior, with attention to detail evident in every stitch and surface. The seats are ergonomically designed to provide support during dynamic driving while ensuring comfort on longer journeys. The dashboard layout is driver-centric, with controls intuitively placed for ease of use. Ambient lighting adds a touch of sophistication, creating an inviting atmosphere within the cabin. Technological innovations: incorporating the latest technological advancements, the 2025 Spitfire offers a suite of features designed to enhance the driving experience. The infotainment system boasts a high-resolution touchscreen with smartphone integration, allowing for seamless access to navigation, media, and communication functions. Advanced driver assistance systems, including adaptive cruise control and lane keeping assist, contribute to a safer driving environment. Connectivity options ensure that drivers and passengers remain connected to the digital world while on the move. Driving dynamics: the essence of the Spitfire has always been its engaging driving dynamics, and the 2025 model is no exception. The chassis has been engineered to provide responsive handling, with precise steering and a balanced weight distribution. The lightweight construction contributes to its agility, allowing drivers to confidently navigate winding roads. The braking system offers strong and consistent performance, instilling confidence during spirited driving. Whether on a scenic back road or a bustling city street, the Spitfire delivers a driving experience that is both exhilarating and refined. Safety features: safety has been a paramount consideration in the development of the new Spitfire. The vehicle is equipped with a comprehensive array of safety features designed to protect occupants and prevent accidents. The advanced airbag system provides protection in the event of a collision, while electronic stability control helps maintain vehicle stability during dynamic maneuvers. The inclusion of driver assistance technologies, such as blind spot monitoring and rear cross-traffic alert, enhances situational awareness and reduces the risk of accidents. Customization options: understanding that drivers have unique preferences, Triumph offers a range of customization options for the 2025 Spitfire. Exterior color choices range from classic hues to contemporary shades, allowing owners to express their personal style. Interior trim options include various materials and finishes, enabling further personalization. Optional performance packages are available for those seeking enhanced driving dynamics, while comfort and convenience packages offer additional amenities for a more luxurious experience. Environmental considerations. In response to the growing emphasis on environmental responsibility, the 2025 Spitfire incorporates technologies aimed at reducing its ecological footprint. The engine has been engineered for improved fuel efficiency, and emissions have been minimized through advanced exhaust treatment systems. The use of sustainable materials in the interior reflects a commitment to environmental stewardship. Additionally, Triumph is exploring hybrid and electric powertrain options for future models, signaling a dedication to sustainable mobility. Market positioning and competitors. The 2025 Triumph Spitfire positions itself as a modern roadster that appeals to driving enthusiasts seeking a blend of classic charm and contemporary performance. In the current automotive landscape, it competes with other compact sports cars that offer similar driving experiences. However, the Spitfire distinguishes itself through its rich heritage and the unique blend of nostalgia and innovation it offers. Its competitive pricing strategy aims to make it accessible to a broad range of customers, further enhancing its appeal in the market. Ownership experience. Owning a 2025 Spitfire promises to be a rewarding experience, with Triumph offering comprehensive support to enhance customer satisfaction. Their warranty package provides coverage for various components, ensuring peace of mind for owners. Maintenance services are designed to be convenient and efficient, with a network of service centers staffed by trained technicians. Triumph also offers a range of accessories and merchandise, allowing owners to further personalize their vehicles and celebrate their passion for the brand, community and heritage. The Triumph Spitfire has always enjoyed a passionate community of enthusiasts, and the 2025 model seeks to continue this tradition. Owners can participate in events, clubs, and online forums dedicated to celebrating the Spitfire legacy. Triumph supports these communities by organizing gatherings and providing resources for enthusiasts. The brand's heritage is celebrated through various initiatives, including the preservation of classic models and the sharing of historical information, fostering a sense of continuity and connection among Spitfire fans. Conclusion. The 2025 Triumph Spitfire represents a harmonious fusion of past and present, honoring its storied legacy while embracing modern advancements. It offers a compelling package for those seeking a roadster that delivers engaging performance, timeless design, and contemporary features. As we look to the future, the Spitfire stands as a testament to Triumph's commitment to delivering vehicles that inspire passion and joy in driving. Whether you're a long-time admirer or new to the brand, the 2025 Spitfire invites you to experience the thrill of the open road in a truly iconic automobile. Thank you for joining us on this comprehensive journey through the 2025 Triumph Spitfire. We hope this review has provided valuable insights into what makes this vehicle a standout in the modern automotive landscape. Stay tuned for more in-depth reviews and discussions on the latest automotive innovations. Until next time, keep the passion for driving alive. The rear design of the 2025 Triumph Spitfire beautifully blends classic styling with modern aerodynamics, staying true to its heritage while embracing contemporary innovation. The car's low, wide stance gives it an aggressive yet elegant look, enhancing both stability and aesthetics. At the back, the taillights are a standout feature with sleek, elongated LED strips that pay homage to the original Spitfire while adding a modern touch. The subtle integration of a rear spoiler improves aerodynamics without compromising the car's timeless silhouette. The rear bumper features a sporty diffuser, channeling airflow efficiently to boost performance and stability at higher speeds. The centrally positioned dual exhaust pipes not only enhance the Spitfire's sporty appeal but also produce an exhilarating exhaust note, further amplifying the driving experience. A Triumph emblem sits proudly in the center of the trunk, symbolizing the brand's legacy of producing spirited roadsters. The trunk lid is designed for practicality, offering decent cargo space for a weekend getaway while maintaining the Roadster's sleek proportions. The rear fenders flow seamlessly into the rest of the body, emphasizing the car's sculpted design. Overall, the 2025 Spitfire's rear showcases a perfect blend of nostalgia and modern performance, ensuring that it turns heads whether it's parked or speeding down the open road. Every detail, from the taillights to the exhaust, contributes to the car's unmistakable character, making it a true icon reborn for the modern era. Please subscribe to my channel and share with like please.